Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly special lined up for you, a massive seafood boil mukbang. Get ready to feast your eyes on this incredible spread of deliciousness. We've got everything here, from succulent king crab legs to plump shrimp, mouth-watering lobster tails, and delectable mussels. It's a seafood lover's dream come true. Look at the size of this king crab leg. It's huge. The meat is so tender and sweet. I can't wait to dig in. And check out these jumbo shrimp. They're absolutely massive. I can already taste the freshness just by looking at them. Now, who can resist the irresistible flavors of lobster? These lobster tails are cooked to perfection, juicy and succulent. You won't be able to resist taking a bite. Of course, we couldn't forget the sides. We've got corn on the cob, baby potatoes, and flavorful sausages, all boiled to perfection and seasoned with our secret blend of spices. The corn is so sweet and perfectly cooked. It complements the seafood beautifully. And let's not forget these plump, juicy mussels. They're swimming in a delicious broth, just waiting to be devoured. Wow! That broth is incredible. It's packed with flavors that perfectly complement the seafood. I have to say, this seafood boil mukbang is a seafood lover's paradise. The combination of flavors, textures, and aromas is simply divine. It's an explosion of taste in every bite. And of course, we can't forget a refreshing beverage to wash it all down. Cheers to an unforgettable feast. Remember, guys, if you ever get the chance to indulge in a seafood boil like this, don't hesitate. It's an experience you won't want to miss. That's all for today's huge seafood boil mukbang. Thanks for joining us on this gastronomic adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy eating.